Are you ready to get amazing responses from your AI tool? In this video, I'll teach you a formula for creating generative AI prompts that will actually get you the answers you can use. Before we go on, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this one. You can also subscribe to our email newsletter, Revenue Weekly. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into it. You're here to learn the best prompt formula for AI, so here it is. Task plus format plus style plus persona plus context equals perfect prompt. Let's start with the first word in the formula, task. It is simply whatever you want the AI to do. So if you tell ChatGPT to answer a specific question, that's a task. Same goes for if you tell it to write an email, generate an idea, or tell a story. Whatever the main goal of your prompt is, that's the task. Here's an example of a ChatGPT prompt that includes a task. Explain why marketing is important. As we walk through the other parts of the formula in this video, we'll keep revising that prompt to include each component. The next word we have is format. That refers to the structure of the response. How long do you want it to be? Do you want it broken up into different sections with headers? Are you looking for paragraphs, bullet points, or a list of both? You may not care about these things if you're just asking a quick question for research purposes, but if you're trying to get ChatGPT to help you write an email or a blog post or a script, you'll definitely want to make sure it's nailing the format. Here's an example of a ChatGPT prompt that specifies a format. In 75 words or less, explain 3 reasons why marketing is important. Use bullet points. Next up, we have style. In this case, I'm referring to the writing style. You want to think about how the response will be written and what tone it will use. Do you want it to be casual, academic, funny, poetic? Again, this is especially important if you're using AI to help you create content. Here's an example of a ChatGPT prompt that clarifies the style. In 75 words or less, explain 3 reasons why marketing is important. Use bullet points and a humorous writing style. Assign the AI a persona. This is where things can get really interesting. You can actually tell ChatGPT to take on a specific persona. That is, respond as though it was someone else. This isn't always necessary, but it can be helpful if you're trying to emulate a specific person, or even if you're just trying to have some fun. One way to do this is to still have ChatGPT be itself, but only a specific version of itself, or in a specific mood. Like, you could say something like, "You're ChatGPT and you're annoyed that no one ever says please in their prompts." The other way to do it is to have ChatGPT pretend to be someone else entirely. Here's an example of a ChatGPT prompt that assigns a persona. You are Gollum from The Lord of the Rings. In 75 words or less, explain 3 reasons why marketing is important. Use bullet points and a humorous writing style. Last but not least, you'll definitely want to provide some context to your request. Like, if you're asking for a specific piece of information, explaining why you want that information could be helpful. That tells ChatGPT what to focus on. For example, you might ask ChatGPT to tell you how you can eat better. By giving it some information about your age, health, and current diet, you can help it give you more personalized advice. It doesn't have to be a ton of info. Even a little bit of context can really improve the response you get. Here's that marketing-related example of a ChatGPT prompt that gives context. You are Gollum from The Lord of the Rings. I'm trying to decide if my business should invest more money in marketing. In 75 words or less, explain 3 reasons why marketing is important. Use bullet points in a humorous writing style. Well, there you go. Those are the 5 elements that make up the best prompt formula for AI tools like ChatGPT. I hope you find this video helpful. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel or to our email newsletter using the link in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you in the next one.